This video is for informational and educational purposes only. I am not a licensed financial advisor.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
What's going on, SBA family? It's your man Stock Brother, and I'm back with another one. What if I told you there is one company whose software is being used to hunt terrorists, command drone strikes, protect the US from incoming missiles, and at the same time help Fortune 500 companies run their entire operations using artificial intelligence, and it has been growing revenue by 70% year over year? That company is Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR. Today we are breaking it all down: the CEO, the business, the big recent news, what Wall Street thinks the stock is worth, and why Palantir may be the most important AI stock of 2026. We're going to be doing a quick review of the company, so stay tuned. Family, before you do anything else, let's get 1,000 likes on this video. Please smash that like button. It helps YouTube push this video to more people, and I would really appreciate your support with this small favor. Thank you. Now, before we get into the video, I want to give a big shout out to our Discord winners. Shout out to Discord member Bazin Action, who had a $101 win in ticker symbol BRN. Shout out to Discord member Blank, who had a $55 win in ticker symbol GXAI. Shout out to Discord member Chart Dog, who had a $146 win in ticker symbol GXAI. Shout out to Discord member JWalker1985, who had a $55 win in ticker symbol OLOX. Shout out to Discord member Miss P, who had a $30 win in ticker symbol RENX. And finally, shout out to myself, Stock Brother. I made over $5,000 in the month of March. It definitely pays to be part of my stock alert service. Let's give the fam a round of applause. So without further ado, let's take care of some business, then get right into it. Consider joining the Discord for real-time alerts of all my hot stock picks. It's an affordable service that won't break your pockets. By joining the family, you will be amongst motivated, like-minded individuals making money in the stock market. The link is in the description below. Let's get that paper, family! Before we talk about Palantir the company, you have to understand the man running it. Alex Karp is unlike any other CEO in Silicon Valley, and he would hate being compared to Silicon Valley CEOs at all. Alex Karp was born on October 2nd, 1967 in New York City and raised in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. He is the son of a white Jewish father and a black mother, both of whom were active in political and labor rights demonstrations. Growing up in a biracial household shaped Karp deeply, instilling in him an early awareness of civil rights, social justice, and the ethical responsibilities that come with power. Karp struggled with dyslexia as a child, which pushed him toward abstract thinking. He earned a bachelor's degree in philosophy from Haverford College, a law degree from Stanford, and then a PhD in neoclassical social theory from Goethe University Frankfurt in 2002. Not computer science, not finance. Philosophy and social theory. He self-identifies as a progressive and a socialist, has been openly critical of companies like Google and Facebook for their data practices, and yet runs a company that works intimately with the US military, the CIA, and NATO. He sees no contradiction in that, arguing that a strong democratic West requires a technological advantage over its adversaries. In 2024, The Economist named him CEO of the Year, and his compensation was nearly $6.8 billion, making him the highest paid CEO of any publicly traded company in the United States. Palantir was co-founded in 2003 by Karp and 4 others, with early funding from In-Q-Tel, the venture capital arm of the CIA. The mission was simple: build software that could make sense of massive, fragmented data in high-stakes scenarios like counterterrorism and national security. The company operates 3 core platforms. First, Gotham, built for government agencies, defense organizations, and intelligence communities. It fuses data from across disparate sources into a single operational picture. The US military, CIA, FBI, and NATO all run on Gotham. Second, Foundry, the enterprise platform for commercial clients. Foundry maps how all of a company's data relates to its real business operations. Clients like Airbus, BP, Merck, and the UK's National Health Service use it to run AI-powered operations. Third, and most critical for growth, AIP, the artificial intelligence platform, launched in April 2023. Think of it as giving companies their own custom AI, trained on their own data, built directly into their workflows. Palantir's customer acquisition strategy is something called the bootcamp. Instead of a 12 to 18 month sales cycle, they bring a prospects team in for a 5-day intensive workshop. By day 5, the client has a real working AI application built on their own data. The conversion rate exceeds 75%. By the end of 2025, Palantir had completed over 1,300 of these boot camps. Now here is where things get really interesting. In the last 30 days, Palantir has had one of the biggest news runs of any company in the market. In March 2026, the Deputy Secretary of Defense issued a formal letter declaring that Palantir's Maven Smart System, an AI-driven battlefield command and control platform that fuses data from drones, satellites, sensors, and radar, will become the official standard for battlefield AI across all branches of the US military. This opens the door to long-term, department-wide funding. Palantir was also named as a core developer of Golden Dome, the Trump administration's proposed $185 billion missile defense system designed to protect the entire U.S. from ballistic, cruise, and hypersonic missiles will have its software layer built by a consortium that includes Palantir alongside Anduril, Lockheed Martin, and RTX. Analysts at Rosenblatt say Palantir's share of this project could be worth many billions of dollars in Phase 1 alone. Also in March, the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, which regulates over 42,000 financial services firms, awarded Palantir a 3-month pilot to use its Foundry platform to detect fraud, insider trading, and money laundering. If successful, full procurement could follow. The numbers are extraordinary. In Q4 2025, Palantir posted revenue of $1.41 billion, up 70% year over year. That was the 10th consecutive quarter of revenue growth acceleration. U.S. commercial revenue surged 137%. The company posted a Rule of 40 score of 127%, which is elite by any measure. For full year 2025, revenue came in at $4.5 billion. Management has guided for approximately $7.19 billion in 2026, with U.S. commercial revenue alone projected to exceed $3.14 billion, representing 115% growth. CEO Corp has publicly stated a 10 times revenue goal by the early 2030s, targeting $40 to $45 billion in annual sales. Dan Ives at Wedbush Securities has called Palantir's AIP the gold standard for AI use cases and believes the company could hit $1 trillion market cap by 2028. PwC estimates AI will create more than $15 trillion in global economic value by 2030, and Palantir sits at arguably the most important intersection of that opportunity. The average 12-month price target across 21 analysts is $194. The high end is $260 from Bank of America. The Wall Street consensus is a moderate buy. Morgan Stanley summed up the bull case best. It's hard to find a better fundamental story in software. Palantir is a company born out of post 9/11 intelligence needs, led by one of the most unconventional CEOs in tech, now positioning itself as the AI operating system for governments and enterprises alike. The bull case is enormous. The valuation is also enormous. That is the tension every investor has to sit with. Palantir may be the most important AI stock of 2026, and it's just getting started. That's all that I have for today, family. Thank you for watching. Follow me on Instagram and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and help your man out by smashing that like button. It really helps the video get seen by more people on YouTube. I'll see you all in the Stock Brother Discord. The link for that is down below. So until next time, let's get that paper!